Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I am sharing my weekly plan for the last week of May, which is actually part May, part June. And I use a happy planner, and I've been doing lemon theme for the month of May in case you're just tuning in. So without further ado, let's get going on my last lemon themed weekly spread. Okay, so this is the last week in May in my happy planner, and it actually has 2 days of June. And I think I'm going to do something a little bit different this time. I have these full boxes of different colored items here that I haven't really used at all. So I think I am going to go ahead and use these this week. I normally do white space planning, but I think this week I'm going to fill things in a bit more so that I can use up most of the rest of the kit. And then I have some different headers I'm going to put on because these don't fill up the entire box, since these boxes actually don't have the header line in them that some of them do. So I'm going to use these little thing stickers, and then I have these orc stickers, and then I have different colored of these personal ones. So let me cut those out and put them on.
So I decided to use the personal stickers in the top box, since that's where I typically put my exercise and things that I need to do personally, not for the family. Then I put work stickers in the middle section for my zone cleaning, and then the little things in the bottom section. Then I started to align the full boxes underneath that, and you needed to align it with the top and the sides, so they're a little bit tricky to do. And then I decided to use these full box heart checklists for the zone cleaning lists.
Okay, here's how it looks. I'll turn it around so you can see it the right way up. With the boxes put in, as you can see, I've covered most of the space at the lower half with the decorative boxes. And since they are decorative, I can't write my meals on them, so I'm going to use these stickers and put them on the various days. That way I can write down the meals for each day using these. So I'm going to do that and add some other ones in, and then I'll show you what it looks like.
So for these meal stickers, I was trying to use boxes that would contrast with the decorative box behind. And then I just started filling in all the tasks.
Okay, here is my finished spread filled in. And it's as you can see, it's quite busy. And this is why I don't normally plan this way, but I thought since so many of these lemon kit stickers left that I would do this last week of May for couple days in June this way. So I thought I would show you all of the leftovers I have even after decorating my May monthly calendar and all 5 weeks in May. Now, if you did less white space planning than I do, you could definitely use up more of these stickers, but what I'm going to do now, I like to do this, is actually organize them by color, so that if I have other spreads in the future where I need a particular color, I can do that. So I'll take all the yellow stickers, put them in one bag, light blue in another, and that way I break up the kit and I don't necessarily use it in the same way going forward. So that takes a bit of time to do, but then once I'm done, it's done, and I can use them going forward. Now these icon stickers, I don't know if I'll do that. I may keep them together, but we shall see. But that's a tip for you. If you don't use up everything, then separate it all by color, and then you can use it in future decorating that isn't necessarily part of the kit. Okay, so here they are all separated out, and I decided to go ahead and cut out the icons so that they would be in the right colors. Well, I hope you enjoyed this series that I did on spreading in my Happy Planner with a lemon theme for the month of May. If you did, why don't you go ahead and give me a thumbs up, that way I know you did. And again, if you are new here, I do post several videos a week, so I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button in the description box down below. I want to thank all of you, my subscribers, my new viewers, and anybody who just stopped by for watching. And I hope you had a wonderful holiday weekend. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.